Looking for the best budget gaming laptops to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. MSI Thin GF63. The MSI Thin GF63 is a laptop designed for gamers who prioritize portability without wanting to completely give up on performance, making it a standout option for those constantly on the move. True to its name, it's noticeably thinner and lighter than most gaming laptops, which makes it a perfect fit for students, commuters, or anyone who wants a machine that can easily slip into a backpack without weighing them down. Despite its slim build, it still manages to pack an Intel Core i5 or i7 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 3050 or 450 graphics, delivering reliable performance for both casual and competitive gaming at a budget-friendly price. While it may not have the raw power of bulkier gaming laptops, its real strength lies in striking a balance between portability, style, and functionality. The red backlit keyboard gives it that classic gamer aesthetic, while the thin bezels around the 15.6-inch screen maximize immersion and make the overall design feel more modern and sleek. For gamers who value mobility and want a lightweight yet capable machine that can handle both everyday tasks and gaming sessions wherever life takes them, the MSI Thin GF63 is a fantastic choice in 2025. You can find all the product links in the description below. Number 4. Asus Tough A15. This laptop remains a true legend in the budget gaming world, and the 2025 model proves that Asus isn't slowing down anytime soon. Known for its rugged military-grade durability, this laptop is built to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, making it an ideal companion for gamers who are constantly on the move. Beyond its toughness, the performance inside is what really makes it shine. Typically featuring AMD Ryzen 7 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, a combination that delivers remarkable power for its price point. This setup allows you to enjoy demanding AAA titles on higher settings without breaking the bank while also ensuring smooth gameplay for competitive esports. The 15.66-inch display boasting a 144Hz refresh rate enhances responsiveness and clarity, giving you that edge in fast-paced action. Add to that a surprisingly strong battery life for a gaming laptop, and you have a machine that doesn't just excel in gaming, but can also handle creative workloads like video editing or design with ease. For anyone seeking a reliable, durable, and performance-packed laptop at an accessible price, the Asus Tough A15 is one of the best choices out there in 2025. Number 3. Acer Nitro V16. The Acer Nitro V16 is a laptop designed for gamers who crave a larger screen experience without stretching their budget, making it a standout choice in the 2025 lineup. Its expansive 16-inch display not only enhances immersion in games, but also makes streaming, editing, and multitasking feel more comfortable, giving you that extra bit of space to breathe. What really sets it apart is the inclusion of a 165Hz refresh rate panel, a feature that's usually reserved for pricier models, delivering ultra-smooth visuals in fast-paced games like Apex Legends, Valorant, or Call of Duty. Under the hood, it's powered by Intel's 13th or 14th gen processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics, ensuring steady performance and impressive frame rates across both competitive titles and graphically demanding AAA releases. True to the Nitro series' reputation for value, Acer continues to deliver strong specs at an approachable price point. Another highlight is the efficient dual-fan cooling system, which keeps the laptop running at peak performance during long gaming marathons, preventing overheating and throttling. For gamers who want the perfect mix of affordability, power, and a screen that pulls them deeper into the action, the Acer Nitro V16 is absolutely worth considering. Number 2. Lenovo LoQ15. This laptop is a relatively new addition to the gaming laptop market, but it has already carved out a strong reputation as a go-to choice for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to sacrifice quality. Positioned smartly between Lenovo's premium Legion lineup and their more basic entry-level machines, the LoQ series delivers a sweet balance of affordability and power. Equipped with configurations that often feature AMD Ryzen 7 or Intel's latest i7 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics, it offers performance that feels well above its price range, handling both competitive esports titles and more demanding AAA games with ease. One of its standout strengths is Lenovo's advanced cooling system, which keeps temperatures under control during long gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance without throttling. On top of that, the keyboard is built with a gamer's touch in mind, offering a tactile and responsive feel that makes it perfect for everything from intense multiplayer matches to casual late-night play. With its sturdy build, versatile performance, and thoughtful design, the Lenovo LoQ15 proves to be a dependable machine that truly punches above its weight in the budget gaming laptop category. Number 1. HP Victus 15. The HP Victus 15 has earned its spot as one of the most popular budget-friendly gaming laptops. And for good reason. It strikes a perfect balance between performance, design, and affordability, making it a reliable option not just for gamers, but also for students and professionals who need a versatile machine. Its clean, modern look blends seamlessly into a classroom or office setting. Yet, once you fire up a game, its true power shines with configurations that typically include the latest Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 3050 or 450 graphics. It's built to handle both fast-paced esports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, and Rocket League, as well as more demanding AAA games, which run smoothly at medium to high settings. The 15.6 in display, often equipped with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensures fluid visuals and reduces motion blur, making every gaming session feel more immersive and responsive. Beyond gaming, it's also a dependable choice for everyday productivity, multitasking, or streaming, making it a well-rounded laptop that doesn't force you to compromise on performance or budget.